This is what I've done for trying to put a knob on the crank wheel. From Park Rose, I picked up this is called a tension pin. I call it a roll pin, but in the store it's called a tension pin. It's a 3/32 by 1/2 inch long. There's a Carter pin that's an 1/8 inch by 1.5 inch long. This is called a Clevis pin. It's a 3/16 by 1 3/4 inch. And this is called a socket shoulder, which is a 1/4 inch by 1 1/4 inch long. Now I had to drill out a new hole so this could thread into it. But one idea was to use this pin to drop in the hole. Oops, drop in this hole. And then use either the roll pin or this Carter pin. I have a hole I drilled right through the side. That would go in, and then you could bend the little legs apart, and then this would be one attachment solution. And then the other one is just, oh, and one of the other things is this socket shoulder with head is $2.65 each, where this Clevis pin is 86 cents and the Carter pin is 14 cents. So this nice smooth surface in that shoulder prevents how far you can screw that in, so it sets it nice and fixed. So take that, an Allen wrench, and I would suggest either using a Loctite or a glue on the threads so it's permanently could be fixed tight to the plastic. It's snugged down, and now this is a nice, strong, firm fit and for rotating. So those are two methods. This one I think is kind of kludgy to get something done. This looks like the more professional way to do it by using this socket shoulder type of pin and just threading it into this. So that's what I have. See you later.